So in part 3 of the Chapter 10 lecture, we talked about what happens when a manufacturer ships product to a distribution center. And then from the distribution center, how the product is shipped out to the stores. But what happens if you're a small retailer and you don't have distribution centers all over the country? What are you supposed to do? If you don't have a distribution center, you can rent space in another retailer's distribution center, or you can use direct store delivery. And so we're going to talk about direct store delivery as an option for smaller retailers. Direct store delivery is a distribution method that bypasses the distribution center and delivers merchandise directly to the retailer store. So like I said, we discussed the benefits of distribution centers. So if you're a small retailer, you might not have that option. But what about large retailers who are looking for another option than the distribution center? If you are a large retailer like Kroger or Walmart or Target, why would direct store delivery be beneficial to you? A couple of reasons why. Products like potato chips and bread can be easily damaged if they're passed through too many hands. So a large retailer like Kroger is going to use their distribution center for things like cake mix, cans of green beans, boxes of cereal maybe. So these items can't necessarily be damaged if they stop at the warehouse first and then go to the store, but potato chips and bread sure can be. You don't want to get a bag of chip crumbs or bread that has been smushed down. So Kroger and other supermarkets and places that sell grocery items will have those items directly delivered to the store from the manufacturer. Other products that are use direct store delivery are products like eggs and milk. These products expire very, very quickly. And so they need to go straight to the store. They can't stop and spend a day or two in a distribution center. So this is a decision that has to be made by a supply chain manager. What product should I use direct to store delivery, and which product should go through the distribution center? So food products are very easy to talk about and very easy to identify which one should use direct store delivery. What I want you to talk about in the Chapter 10 discussion board are other products that you think might need speed to market. So if I need speed to market, it means that I need to get my product to the store quickly. So I can't send it to the distribution center. So think about that. Let's get some discussion going. What types of products do you think could be sent direct store delivery, and why? Why do you think the products are sent direct to store delivery? So there's product categories. I'll give you some examples to get you started, but there's different product categories in the apparel industry. There's different product categories in the electronics industry, and there's different products within the gift industry that tend to benefit from direct store delivery. So think about that, and we will talk about it in the discussion boards. So while some retailers use a distribution center and some use direct to store delivery, other retailers will use drop shipping to get their product to the customer. Drop shipping is a system in which retailers receive orders from the customer and then they relay that order to the vendor. At that point, the vendor is going to ship the manufacturer directly to the consumer. So the product doesn't even go to the store, right? The customer can order the product at the store, and then the store is going to order it from the manufacturer, but the manufacturer is going to ship it directly to the customer. So it doesn't even hit the store. One example of this is furniture, right? So we can't keep 30 couches in my furniture store, 30 of each couch in the department store. And I don't have a lot of room in the distribution center for a whole bunch of couches. So if I'm a furniture store, I might just take an order from a customer and then have it shipped directly from the manufacturer. So that furniture is one type of item that is usually shipped by drop shipping. I want you to think about a few other products that might benefit from drop shipping directly from the vendor to the consumer after that retailer places the order on the customer's behalf. So the decisions here made by supply chain and logistics managers are, how do we get the product to the customer? Do we order it and keep it in our distribution center to get it to our stores? Do we do direct store delivery to get it to our stores quickly, or do we use drop shipping to get it directly to the customer? So that's an important decision that happens in supply chain management. So that concludes our conversation on Chapter 10. Please remember to post in the discussion boards, and specifically, let's talk about any experience you might have had with any of the distribution center activities or products you think would benefit from direct store delivery or drop shipping.